Hey guys, doing a quick recap of a box of the new Absolute Memorabilia that just came out. I'll show you the couple of base cards and whatnot, inserts. Got a Steven Jackson Groundhogs insert. Here's what the rookies look like: Marvin Austin, Johnny White. Let me show you my hits. I got a Spectrum rookie autograph of Daquan Bowers. Numbered out of, I think, 299. Also numbered out of 299. Spectrum rookie autograph of Raheem Moore. Redemption. I'll show you this first. Got to cover up the code. Code's not working yet. It still says doesn't exist. Rookie Premier Material NFL Signatures card 218, which is John Baldwin. And the best hit of the box is a nice 3-color patch of Ray Rice and Groundhogs. You got white, gold, purple. That one's numbered out of 25. So that was my box there. Okay, I've seen better. I've seen worse. So thanks for watching.